Rahman the Great, huh?
I have a question from chapter 28, verse 6.
28:6. So this is from Surah Al-Qasas, verse number 6. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم ونريد أن نمن على الذين استضعفوا في الأرض ونجعلهم أئمة ونجعلهم الوارثين. The translation is, and we desired to show favor unto those who were considered weak in the earth, and to make them leaders, and to make them inheritors of our favors.
Huzur, my question is, what is the wisdom of Allah, what is the wisdom behind the ways of Allah in which He begins His jama'at with those who are weak?
What is the wisdom of Allah in choosing those people who are weak to make a
jama'at?
This is evident, isn't it? I thought it was very evident. If a weak people are considered weak because they have sided with a cause which the people do not like, then whose cause, whoever has that cause to serve him, it is possible for seeing to it that the weakness is transformed into strength. Ordinarily, they were not considered weak. The weakness of strength was never taken notice of. In reality, they were rendered weak because they openly sided with Allah. So how could Allah abandon them? Because their weakness was mainly because of their relationship with Allah. It was for His sake that they accepted that weakness. It is for His sake that they challenge the whole of the society. Treat us as you please. Consider us as the weakest of the weak. Do whatever you like. Murder us, turn us out of our lands, take our homes, whatever you may do, you will not be able to break our ties with Allah. So after that, what do you think Allah should do? Leave them alone? And be destroyed by the people who consider themselves stronger? Certainly not. Allah turns the whole society upside down. Those who are considered weak because of their ties with Allah, they are strengthened and they overpower the other society, which gradually dissipates into practically nothingness. So this is the verse which promises the weak people. Understand? Thank you.